Preparing for an interview in the IT sector or any other industry includes both practical and professional aspects, including your dress code, behavior, and attitude. Here's a concise guide on how to appear for an interview, especially in terms of dress code, grooming, and other key pointers. Dress code for IT interviews. Business casual. The general recommendation for IT roles is business casual unless specified otherwise. This is a safe, professional, yet comfortable choice. For men, collared shirt, button-up or polo. Neat, well-fitting trousers or chinos. Closed-toe shoes, loafers, Oxfords. Avoid overly casual items, example t-shirts, sneakers, ripped jeans. For women, blouse or professional top. Tailored trousers or knee-length skirt. Closed-toe flats or low heels. Avoid overly casual or flashy clothing, example tank tops, shorts, etc. Conservative approach. When in doubt, lean towards more formal attire, business formal, to show respect for the interview process. For example, for men, suit and tie, for client-facing roles or more formal companies. For women, professional dress or suit with modest makeup and accessories. Company culture. If you're unsure about the company culture, research the dress code or ask the recruiter ahead of time for any preferences. Some tech companies like startups or creative agencies might have a more relaxed dress code. Grooming and personal hygiene. Ensure you look well groomed, with clean hair, fresh breath, and minimal cologne perfume. If you have facial hair, make sure it's neatly trimmed and maintained. Keep nails clean and trimmed, avoid flashy nail polish. Depending on the company culture, tattoos and piercings might be acceptable or better covered. Accessories and personal items. Keep jewelry to a minimum, example, a simple watch or ring. Ensure your phone is turned off or on silent mode to avoid distractions during the interview. If you carry a bag, choose a professional-looking one, example, a leather folder, briefcase, or simple backpack. Posture and body language. Stand and sit up straight, showing that you are engaged and confident. A firm handshake is a sign of professionalism. Avoid a weak or overly strong handshake. Maintain appropriate eye contact to show attentiveness, but don't stare aggressively. Smile occasionally to project friendliness and warmth. Refrain from fidgeting, chewing gum, or other behaviors that may be distracting. Interview preparation outside of appearance. Know about the company's mission, values, recent news, and its products services. Be prepared to explain why you're interested in the company and how you align with its culture. Be clear on the specific role you're applying for and the key skills required. Be ready to explain your past experiences, projects, and how they are relevant to the job you're applying for. Highlight your technical and soft skills. Always have a few questions ready to ask the interviewer. These could be about the team culture, technologies used, or growth opportunities within the company. Virtual interviews, if applicable. Even for virtual interviews, dress professionally, just as you would for an in-person interview. Ensure your internet connection, camera, and microphone are working before the interview starts. Test everything in advance. Choose a clean, quiet, and neutral background for the interview. Avoid clutter or distractions. Ensure you have good lighting so the interviewer can see you clearly. Summary of key interview appearance tips. Dress code. Business casual is usually appropriate, go more formal if in doubt. Grooming. Look neat and tidy, ensure clean hair, nails, and minimal fragrance. Body language. Maintain good posture, a firm handshake, and make eye contact. Accessories. Keep them minimal and professional. Preparation: research the company, know the role, and prepare thoughtful questions. By following these guidelines, you'll feel more confident and ready to make a positive impression during your interview in the IT sector.